Hey, you choice. Hey, choice. And we're back.
And we're back. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Oh, I guess this is today's events. Today's events are a wind-up train set. Yes, I think we're going to open it. We've opened it. We've got tracks. We've got tracks. We've got more tracks. Lots of tracks. And a little train. And a little caboose. I think that's caboose. Sorry, train aficionados. It's not a caboose. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna put this together. Maybe.
Tug, tug.
There. Piece 1. Piece 2. Piece 3. Uh-oh. Excellent! We have completed it. We have completed the piece. Oh, check out the snow. Hey, should we put that train on there?
Yeah.
Are you twisting? Is it appropriately twisted? Who's this guy?
A snowman.
Snowman. Who's this guy?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus! Oh, wait a second. I just built that.
I can go around.
Oh my goodness. All right, let's see if it works anyway. We're gonna hook it together, just like that. Wind.
Go, go, go.
Oh, it's up. Okay, no, I think it's good. I think we should put it on the tracks.
Tracks.
All right, ready? Set.
Go, go, go.
Suck it. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. In the meantime, hello, Mr. Snowman. Hello, Christmas tree. Look, nutcrackers. You know what my favorite thing of this time of the year is? Nutcrackers.
Mine too.
They're funny. Hey, you want to see something funny?
Yeah.
This guy, his arm is falling off. This guy, his crown is sort of missing, and this is a visual. This guy, you want to know what's wrong with him? He doesn't got a head! What happened to his head? Oh, what happened to his head? All right, remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for joining us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Goodbye.